This rectangle of x's is 3/4 of another original rectangle of x's. Draw the original rectangle. Okay, so this is 3/4 of another. So remember, 3/4 means three copies of 1/4. So I like to really remind myself of that, and I'm going to write it down. Three copies of 1/4. So I want to break this into three equal pieces. So it's three copies of something. Okay, so here's one, two, three. So I was able to break that into three copies, and each of those copies is 1/4 of the original. So my original is going to be 4/4. So I need to just add another one of these to make the original. Okay, so my original rectangle is going to be one, two, three, four. Okay, so it's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and then I'm going to add another copy to make 4/4. So this is four copies of 1/4 to make a whole. Explain why we can use the fractions in A and B to describe the shaded region below. So 5/6, we can use this fraction if we think of these two rectangles together as the whole, because we have one, two, three, four, five shaded pieces out of one, two, three, four, five, six total pieces. Okay, so 5/6 works if we consider both rectangles together to represent the whole. Okay, 5/3, we could call this fraction, or we could use 5/3 to represent this picture if we consider just one rectangle to be the whole. So if one rectangle is my whole, then I have the whole is made up of three pieces. So I have one, two, three, four, five copies of 1/3.